Welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you guys are having a great day. I have some accessories today for the Insta360 and I hope you guys do enjoy. Okay, so I'm going to start with the bullet time, and it comes with the small selfie stick. Let me extend it so you guys can see how long it is. That's how long it is. It's about, I have some notes here on my laptop, and it says it extends to about 43.7 inches. So it's 43.7 inches long, okay? And like I said, it comes with the bullet time feature here. It has a knob, let me just interview it right here. It has a knob on the bottom that you can loosen or tighten accordingly. So I'm just going to loosen it right now. And it comes, you can either use it as a tripod. Let me show you that real quick. You screw it onto the top. Let me just shorten it. You screw it onto the top, and there are these legs at the bottom that you can just extend, just like that, okay? You can put it on the floor. Hopefully the camera picks it up right there, like so. All right, and then once you detach the selfie stick off the top, you can attach it to the side, like so. And that is how you're able to do the bullet time, okay? That's pretty much all there is to it. The only thing that I don't like about this is that the tripod leg is so small. And reason being, so let me screw this back on again one more time. Reason being, I'm going to extend the leg all the way up. So you have it on the ground like so, you have the stick extended here. If I should give it a hard hit, it falls over very easy. And that's the only thing I don't like about that, all right? And keep in mind, guys, these accessories that I'm introducing will be in the description below, and it also has affiliate links. So, you know, I'll get a small kickback from each of the purchases that you guys might make. It's not going to cost you guys anything at all to click on the links. So yeah, it will really help with the channel. So let me get back to it. So this is the selfie stick from Insta, right? I'm also going to introduce to you guys an alternative tripod leg for the selfie stick. Much wider. I have some information here that I can just share with you guys. It's a lot wider. So the leg itself right here is about 162 millimeters, and the width from here to here is 290 millimeters. So you can see the extended of the length is a lot wider than what comes from the standard Insta360 tripod. You can definitely see the difference. And if I should show you the same example right here, I'm going to screw it on. I'll bring it up, extend it. If I hit it, you can see much sturdier. It rocks and it just levels off. So for me, that is a better tripod leg to have versus what came with the standard selfie stick that I have here. Like I said, links will be in the description below. Okay, so the other accessory that I have is the other selfie stick, which is much bigger. I think this one is like 9.8 feet, if I'm not mistaken, almost 10 feet long. So very much different. I'm almost touching my window over here, and it still has more to go. So you can see how long it is. Very long. I can literally, I'm passing right by the camera right here. That's how long it is. And with this selfie stick, you get more of a drone-like feel if you should extend it all the way up in the air. You can get very creative with what you would like to do. So this is the larger version of the Insta360 selfie stick, okay? I'm just gonna get straight into the next one. And the next item here, which is very, very important, and that is the, get some focus right there. This is the SanDisk Extreme. This is the 256 gigabit version with speeds up to 190 megabits per second, right? And the write speed of 130 megabits per second. So this is pretty good. And for this, I like this because I get about 4 hours worth of coverage from this one card. And if you have 2 of these, you're talking about 8 hours. You know what I'm saying? So, and it's not expensive at all, which is one of the things that I really do like. Okay, so the next thing I wanted to show you guys when it comes on to your battery. All right, so when you purchase the Insta360 itself, it does not come with a charger. What should I say, a charging bay or anything. You have to literally plug it into the side and charge it. However, if you want to be purchasing more batteries, I would suggest you get one of these right here. The case, pretty good. It's actually a fast charging case. I have some information right here that I could share with you guys. So for this, if you charge it for 35 minutes, you get about 80% worth of charge. If you charge for 75 minutes, you get a full charge of 100%. And this is with both batteries inside the charger, which I think is pretty good. And also in the top section, hopefully I can show you guys right here. In the top section, let me get a little focus right there. In the top section right here, you can actually put your micro SD cards on the top. And if you look inside it, you can see 2 slots. One, there's a battery in there right now, and there's another space for another battery. So which I think is pretty good to have. Okay. Next item I'm going to run into is a case for your Insta360. I haven't used it yet because I have a small concern thinking that whether or not when you put it onto the camera itself, when it's doing the stitching of, you know, the both cameras on the other side, will it be showing inside the video? I haven't tested it yet because I really just got these. So I just wanted to show you guys. Like I said, links would be in the description below. Let me just show you guys how it looks with the covering on there. And also this eye covering here comes into the box with your Insta360. I got it with mine. So I have a link that I'm going to give you guys. It comes in there like a bundle. Okay, so let me put this together. So literally all you do from the sides, you slide it in. From the side, there's an opening on the side. Let me put it down here. There's an opening on the side. And it's pretty easy. And the one thing I must say about it, it definitely fits like a glove. You know, so I definitely will be testing it sometime in the field, but I think it will be a good thing to have. Let's get a focus right there. I think it will be a good thing to have. Let's flip it around so you guys can see it. It fits really nicely on the camera. Really, really nicely. So I just definitely want to test it just to see what happens when it's doing the stitching of both cameras. All right. Let me take this back out, or I can leave it in for now. Let me move on to the next item right here. And this is one of the items that I actually use in the video, the BTS wedding video that I shot, that I posted recently. I'll have that in the links below. All right, let me just go grab it and come back. All right, so this item here, very, very handy. So I'm just going to show you the main item, which is the one that I actually use in that video. You detach like so. Then all I'm going to do is just put my hand through and come over. Just put my hoodie on like so, pull it down. And then I'm going to grab the strap from behind like so. And then, and as you can see right there, it fits you nice and snug. Let me turn around so So you can see the back, just like that. And let me grab the camera and put it on so you guys can actually see what it looks like. So I'm gonna just screw it on. Pretty easy, like so. And as a matter of fact, I like to know that I can see the screen from my side. And then there's a little notch right here that you can just turn and tighten. And this is how I literally had it on the wedding day while I was working. Just like that. You have the camera here, and it fits nice and snug around my jacket because I had on a jacket that day. And once I had it in this position, this is how it was for the entire day. And the audio that I got from the camera is really, really good. The one thing you have to keep in mind though is that you're going to be touching the camera lens at some point. Make sure you have like a microfiber cloth with you so you can wipe it off. That way you don't, smudge the screen and it affects the visibility of the video that you're trying to capture. Okay, so that's one of the items inside the case. I'll put this to the side. There is another one. It comes with a clip. So if you just want to clip it onto something, maybe the sun visor in your car, you can clip it onto there and have it clipped onto here. That's an option that you can use. There is also, there's also another strap that you can use to kind of go onto your arm, like so. And just put it on. I haven't tried this one yet, but I think it's pretty good. You tighten it on. It's not really tight right now, but you get the idea. And it's pretty good. It has Velcro, so you can adjust the level of tightness that you want. For me, I don't think I'll definitely be using anything like this, but it's just nice to know that you do have it, just in case there's something that you can find to use for this. For me, it's not really that important, but it's just something nice to have. There's also another piece that you actually can kind of put over your head. It's like a headpiece. You can literally put it over your head and then have the camera right here. Hopefully you guys can see that. Get the camera focusing. So there's the notch for right here that you can screw the camera onto. All right, so it's pretty good. So these are, like I said, guys, these are some of the items that I myself have found very useful, especially this one here that straps onto your chest area. I think this is very convenient. It's not in the way because when you hold, especially when I'm holding my camera, my elbows is on either side of the camera and it's not covering anything at all when it comes on to this right here. So you're able to still see and hear me talk to my clients. You get to see what I'm doing, so forth and so on. And like I said, the one thing I love about the Insta360 is that the fact that it rotates in post, where you can see in front of you, you can go left to the right, you can go up, or you can go down, all right? So guys, that was a really quick video of some accessories that I find very useful, and that I think you might find useful as well. So like I said before, links are in the description before, and if you guys like this video, guys, just smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, for more videos like this. All right, I hope you guys have a great day, a great night, wherever you guys are. Stay tuned and peace.